Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be going over how you can make money online just simply by asking questions. More specifically, I'm going to be going over what type of platform I'm talking about, how much money you could be making, and what advice I have just kind of on this method. And it's also important to note that this is not going to give you a full-time income, and it's more just really a way to make some extra money on the side. Also, we've just hit our first big milestone of 1,000 subscribers, and thanks to you all who have subscribed. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button so I can help you on your path to financial freedom. And now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the platform I'm going to be going over is called Quora, and let's head over to the website right now. So for those of you who don't know what it is, I would basically say it's like Reddit, but with a little more of a professional vibe, and it is also purely just a question and answer based platform. And the part of Quora that I'm going to be going over is called the Quora Partner Program, and this lets you make money simply just by asking questions. So now I'm going to be going over how much you can potentially be making with this method, and I'm actually going to show you a little insight into how large the earnings can vary. And just lay a foundation for how this works, Quora will put ads under the questions you ask, so the more people that see those ads, the more that you will earn from the program. So for me personally, I haven't been in the program for very long, so I haven't been able to see the long-term effects of asking tons of questions. As you can see, my highest earning question only has made about 46 cents, and I'm not going to lie, that is not a whole lot of money, but you'll see in just a second where this huge variety in earnings comes in. So if we go to the highest earning questions over the past year, you can see the highest earning question is actually coming at $361, which is insane for just one question. And after scrolling down for a second, you can see that there are plenty of other insanely high earning questions. But I always want to be very honest with you guys and show you some testimonials from people over on Reddit who talked about how much they made. So here we see that this user says that it is not a scam. I started mid-March 2019 and earned $23 and change. So in total for this user, he has asked over 7,000 questions while earning over $300 in that time frame. Here we see another user talking about their experiences with the program, and you can pause the video if you want to read the whole thing, but he basically ends off saying that his current earnings during the last week was about $9 per day. The final user we see here talks about the people that are making thousands of dollars a month are extreme outliers, and that he typically just does hundreds per month, which to me is still very impressive. Now I'm going to be going over exactly how you can get invited into this Quora Partner Program, or at least I'll try my best, because Quora has not made this exactly clear, but there are some pretty well established theories about how to get in. Some people claim that you need 100,000 views on your questions, which might sound like a lot, but I've probably only done this for about a couple weeks and I'm already at 100,000 views. However, others even say that they have gotten in with around 50,000 views, which makes it a little more tricky to understand. But my advice for you would basically be to become an overall active user on the site, ask as many questions as you can, and you'll greatly increase your chances to be part of this program. Also, it would definitely not hurt to send an email to partners@quora.com to see if there's any way you can get invited. Also, this program is limited to certain countries, and I'll list them on the screen here right now. As always, thanks so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.